What is up, YouTubers? It's Mushrooms Toy Box, and here we have another unboxing video, but this time it's another unbagging video because it is a blind bag series. Check this out. These are mini racers. Now, if you watch the other Cars 3 blind bag video that I had, I was opening these things. Series 1 surprise collectibles. Now, these stunk, okay? But this is what I really am stoked about. This is the Mini Racers series. Now, what are Mini Racers? Well, let's find out. Now, I was able to get a whole case at the 99-cent store. These were only $1 each. And I think they were $3.99 at Walmart when I saw them. Let's go ahead and open this up. Dump this whole box out. Pretty cool. I'm excited to see that. I don't know exactly how many I got. I think these are also numbered, so you could figure out what number you got or what cars you got by the number. So let me see if that rings true. Why don't I just open them all up? I think this might be a lot of doubles though, unfortunately, because I'm seeing a lot of the same numbers. All right, first bag is a K11A/11. Did they make this easy? And open it up. First, let's look at the back, the paper inside. Collect your favorite characters from Cars 3. Disney Pixar. You got Lightning McQueen, Hicks, Murray Clutchburn, Cal Weathers, Doc Hudson, Natalie Certain, Ramone, Luigi, Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, Sherrif, and Mater. So I guess this is it. You got 12 cars. But let's go ahead and see what this first one is. It is awesome. It is Ramone. Check him out. Now, I gotta tell you, this guy is a die-cast metal, and he's heavy. He is not light. Look at the great paint job. The tampos on the side. Great. Look at the attention to detail. This license plate on there says low and slow. Some great pinstriping on there. And guess what? They roll. So he rolls, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and keep opening. Hopefully I don't get too many doubles, although I love Ramone, so I'll take as many Ramones as I can get. And just so we're clear, look, check it out, K11A/11. What is it? Another Ramone. Okay. I don't care about that one because he's one of my favorite characters from the movie. This is number 12. So I'm gonna say this is, I don't know who this is actually. This one is, oh cool, it's Natalie Certain. She's really cool. She's really cute too, really tiny. I mean, that's like the size of my thumb. All metal. Great details. Look at that face. Got a little smirk. Alright, and again, she rolls. Can't really read. It says KO1 31W and taillights. Thankfully, they all have taillights. I really like Ramone because he has these gold rims. So let's keep going. We got number 10. So if you haven't been paying attention, Ramone was 11, Natalie Certain was number 12, and what do we have here? Jackson Storm is number 10. That is awesome. Very cool. I wonder how these would go on a track. Maybe I should do a video where I'm racing all the cars down one of the tracks. We'll see. Alright, let's go to the next one. Let's go to bag number 6. Bag number 6 will be Cal Weathers. Very cool. Great detail. All die cast. Heavy. Love it. And again, he rolls. They all roll. Alright, we got number 4. How about I start just using scissors, maybe? Oh, cool. This is Cruz Ramirez. That is awesome. He was number 4. Let's see what number 8 is. 8 is Luigi. Awesome. Now these cars are coming from Mattel. So because they're coming from Mattel, and Mattel is the company behind Hot Wheels, these have great detail. And they also are nice and heavy. Great paint jobs, great tempos. This one is, okay, what number is he? Number 8. Did I open number 8 already? Yes, I did. So remember, number 8 is Luigi. We're gonna go with car number 5. I think I opened this one already too. Nope, Mater. So Mater, check this out. Mater is cool. Two-toned, different colored rims, but he's actually matte finished. He's not glossy, which I really, really, really dig. This part is plastic, so it's not fully 100% die-cast. None of them are, because they have plastic base, and tires are plastic too. But very, very, very cool. I really like the matte paint job on that. So he was number 5. Okay, oi. Did I do number 4 already? Let's check it out. Let's see what number 4 is. I'm gonna open all these, so don't worry. Ah, it's another Cruz Ramirez. But here's the weird thing. Check that out. Why are they 2 different colors? You notice that? This one's very yellow. This one is more orangey. Oh, and he's damaged. That's not good. But it looks like it's just a tempo mishap. So I bet I could put some acetone and take that right off. No problem. But again, strangely, 2 different colors. All right. Luigi's not 2 different colors. Ramone is not 2 different colors, so that's kind of weird. Let's keep going. What is this? Number 10. So number 10, we already know what this is, but that's okay. We have another Jackson Storm, and we like Jackson Storm, so I don't care. He's one of the cooler cars out in the whole series. Number 4 again, and this is, I think, another Cruz Ramirez. Yes, it is, and this is, oh, look at that! Whoa! Another weird paint thing. That's not cool. And I gotta say, they're actually all 3 different colored. This is closer to that. So let's show you the different colors, okay? Really yellow, more orangey, more orangey EE. All right, let's go back to number 2. Car number 2 is, what is car number 2? Oh, hello, it's Chick Hicks. Okay, I'm gonna push all you guys back. Pretty cool detail. He looks like he could be a GNX. A Grand National. I could be wrong, but that's what it reminds me of. Number 12. I think 12 was, who was 12? It was Natalie Certain, and there she is. Yeah, they're both the same color. Car number 3, I think I got a full set. Car number 3 is, very cool, Doc Hudson. That's a Hudson Hornet, I believe. Super, super cool. Let's see, what else do we got? Car number 2. Car number 2 is Chick Hicks, I think. Yep, another Chick Hicks. Slightly different color shade, I want to say. This seems a little more brighter, but another, oh, car number 5. This is another Mater, I can tell you right now. There we go, another Mater with that really awesome matte paint finish. Still got a lot of cars here. This is number 11, so this is another Ramone. Hello, there he is. Okay, let's get rid of all this trash. Which one is this one? Oh, this was car number 1. What is car number 1? Car number 1 is Lightning McQueen. Oh, I guess that kind of makes sense, right? Car number 10. I think car number 10 was Luigi. Nope. Oh yeah, another Jackson Storm. We are okay with Jackson Storms. Car number 5. This is another Mater. So one thing I want to point out, what does this mean in the bag? On the bag. Does that mean there's a 13th car and it's rare? I don't know. I don't think so. It looks like the silhouettes are exactly the same. So, I don't know. Okay. We're coming down to our last 4 or 5 bags. Hey, 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 it's Sherrif. Awesome. What was that? Bag car 7 or bag 7. This is bag number 9. Oh ho ho, awesome. Murray Clutchburn. It looks like Clutchburn's kind of rare because I haven't seen another one. And what is this one? Oh, cool. Another Cal Withers. We'll put him over there with that. Keep going. Car number 9. I forgot what this one is. Ah, there he is. Another Murray. Car number 9. Car number 10. This is another Jackson Storm. Yep. Alright. 4 Jackson Storms. Wow. This is another Mater. Car 5. I don't think I got them all though. Or did I? No, I don't think so. I'm missing, no, I got them all. Alright. I got a complete set. At least one. And another Ramone. Alright, so let me get this out of the way. Here we have a full collection of cars. So let's put them in order, okay? We have, sorry guys, we have Lightning. Let's put him over, okay? Then we have, whoops, sorry, Chick Hicks, Murray Clutchburn, Cal Withers. Then it is Doug Hudson, Natalie Certain, whoops. Natalie Certain, Ramone, Luigi. Then we have, where are we? Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm. I'm only got one of the Sherrifs. Mater. And there we have it. That's the whole set right here. One complete set. Anyways, what do you think about these? I really like them. They came out really great. They all roll. See? Whoops. They all have a lot of weight to them, and they're really cool. They're really mini, and they're really a good good representation of the car characters from the film. I really dig them. Now, they are very small, so if you've got children, they say not suitable for children 3 years and under, because kids are always putting food or toys in their mouth, and they could easily choke on these things because they're very, very, very small. So I would highly suggest not letting your young children play with them. But whoops, sorry, Minnie is on my lap. But let me know what you think in the questions and comments. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give me a like button, or I'm sorry, it's no longer a thumbs up or thumbs down, right? It's just a like button. Like or dislike. Like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please press the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Now, if you want free toys, yes, I said free toys, I'm gonna start doing a video series on Tuesdays where I will be giving away free toys, and these guys will probably be part of those free toys. I'll probably add them as extra little fun things to give you. Now, one thing I did want to point out, these are the, let's go ahead and move these guys over. Okay. These are the crappy cake topper type cars that I got that cost just 50 cents, I think, cheaper than these die-cast ones from Mattel. These are from Mattel. You can see the wheels spin. They're die-cast and they are awesome. These are from I'm a Thinking Toy. They're plastic, crappy, or Thinkway toys. They're plastic, crappy, they don't spin, they don't roll, and they are a waste of money. And guess what? I'll be including these guys in your free toy gifts too. But look at the difference, night and day. Anyways, I'll do a compare and contrast video of these two different types of toys in another segment. Thanks again for watching. Again, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you at the next one. Remember, free toys on Tuesday. Look for that video with all the instructions and directions on what you need to do to get free toys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.